Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to show you guys how to make some calabasa squash,
better known as
pumpkin in the Caribbean. We're going to show you how to make some yellow rice out of it. So you want to clean out the seeds. You could plant back the seeds if you wanted to.
Oh, they call it calabash.
So
in the English-speaking islands.
You want to clean out the inside. Clean out the insides so you get all the seeds out. And then you want to try to peel it. So that's what the inside looks like pretty much. It's very hard, so be careful. And then you want to get your knife. You want to peel it. Just be very careful. Keep your thumb close to the blade so that way the knife don't put up no momentum so it could cut you. Remember, it's very, very hard to peel. It's very tasty. You could eat it like just regular in itself. So pretty much that's just peeling one piece. I just want to show you how to peel it. We had some already prepped for cook the rice. Just want to show you guys how to peel it so you can have an idea. So that's how you'll peel it, and then you just cut it up. Because remember, you're gonna have to cook it. It's somewhat hard, so try to cut it in small chunks. It will make it easier, and it will cook a lot faster, especially if you crunch the time. So that's kind of how it's gonna look. So that's how it will look. All right. Like I said, we had some already prepped. Okay, so that's kind of how it looks like. We had some already boiling on the stove, so that's how it looks. Now we're gonna go ahead and add a little bit of salt and add a little bit of rice. All right, so we're gonna go ahead. We're gonna wash the rice. Always wash your rice because obviously you don't know where it's coming from. So I always want to make sure you wash your rice and keep your rice clean. And we're using about 2 cups of rice. All right, we're gonna go ahead and we're gonna pour the rice in right now. We're gonna get a fork. Always use a fork in your rice when you're starting your rice.
You like your water too much. Yeah, because my water won't say you're done. Is it?
Yeah.
I'll throw my rice in right. Then when you're ready, we stop.
Alright, so we go ahead and drop like 4 leaf at a time. Now we're gonna pour some avocado oil in it. Not too much. I love avocado oil, so you're gonna hear that a lot. Because it's just a healthy oil. You can use it high heat, low heat. And you could also use it on your salad dressing, and it's flavorless, so you don't have to worry about your food tasting like avocado. You gotta make sure you stir it, and always stir your rice, like I said, with a fork. If you use a spoon, it's not gonna come out good. You want your rice to be able to shell, so you be able to count every single grain.
Look over there.
So there you go. That's how it's starting to look. Oh man, this is good. That's how it's starting to look. Really good. Alright, so there we go. We're stirring it up. It's almost finished.
What? I have cooked rice?
Yeah.
My goodness, my right it, eh? I ate nothing all morning.
There you go, guys. That's how it look with the pumpkin. And that's how the rice look. And as always, don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and comment. And have a wonderful day.